Hi dear students, thank you very much for joining our course. In this course, Introduction of Flexbox CSS, I will teach you about the CSS Flexbox, how we use CSS Flexbox, what is the importance of CSS Flexbox. I am Muhammad Ismail, front-end developer and computer instructor. I am teaching last 5 years as a web developer and software engineering in different software programs, and also I am working as a software engineer in different projects according to the customer requirements. You can follow me in my LinkedIn and Twitter if you want any queries. What is the CSS Flexbox? Flexbox is the layout model which help you to make easy, flexible, responsive websites designing according to your requirements and without using flat and positions codes. It's help you to design your page layout according to your requirements. It is a properly like flex direction, flex basis, flex wrap. These are properties of CSS Flex which help you to design your course. What is the outline of the course? What you learn in this course? What is the outputs in the course? What is this flex box? How we use flex direction? What is the flex wrap? What is the flex follow? What is the flex grow? What is the flex shrink? How we use CSS align self? How we use flex order? What is the flex grow? What is the important flex grow? Why we use flex grow? What is the flex basis? What is the flex margin auto? In this course, after completion this project, you have able to make any responsive websites layout designing. I also give you one project with codes. These projects you can make yourself and also provide you this source code of these projects which help you to learn and practice to improve your CSS skills in Flexbox. You can modify and customize it according to your requirements. What color do you want, what image, you can change it according to your requirements. These are lectures during the course you learn after completing these course enrollments. There is a flex grow. It's help you to any item of your page or layout you want to grow according to your size. Which size do you want to give it? It's help you using the flex grow. Can you resize it according to your requirements? And this container you can use the basis and any items you want to make it according to your requirements. You can make aligns like one start to one and the last one to suppose 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. You can use the reverse also. In help of reverse code you can modify it according to your requirement and choices. You can display it in the container and adjust its your size according which you have size in your layout. You can modify it. These are the chapters which are you going to learn in this course. I also give you the source code of the complete this project. In the end of completion this course you learn this project like we have div class flex box area, div class single area, single box, div class image area, div class text area, div class header, web designing, and there is provide web designing the codes also that have CSS which body, background, text area, single box, image area, single box, position, relative, display, flex direction, column with 300 pixel, height auto, border radius 4 pixel. You can give it according to your requirement what size you want to give, text, align, center, margin, 20 pixel, padding, 20 pixel, transactions. These are the code of CSS which are help you to practice and improve your skills in learn CSS Flexbox. Thank you very much. See you in the course.